No ways, guys. Not Tagi calling Kabza the Small Igwinya, guys. He just said Kabza the Small is a fat cook, guys. Here's Tagi all cooking, guys. Cooking Kabza the Small, calling him Igwinya, guys.
Bro, not like, sorry, I apologize, Roman Cabello. Not like that, but do you understand? No, but bro, you see what I'm talking about? Bro, this makes sense, bro.
But no weight gain, bro. Like I think your skin will tell.
Okay. Skin saga Limek, skin saga Scott, is it?
Bro, Limek looks great, bro.
Bro, that guy. You must wait. I'm asking you.
Bro.
Is it nga?
I haven't seen Limek in a while, bro.
I'm telling you,
I saw Scott, yeah.
How's
I
the skin?
saw Scott. Nah, he's okay, bro.
Yeah, the weight gain's not there though.
Scott kibele motene ekhona kashiswe la.
But there's no weight gain. Still in town.
Nah, he's not fat, bro.
Bro, niggas look good, bro. They
Look at
just wild, dog.
youngster, you want to food. I'm fed to like.
No, I'm cool.
Yep, guys, that was Tagi roasting Kabza the Small, calling him Igwinya, a fat cook, guys. I don't know what to take on this one. You can leave your comments down in the comment section. I'll have to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.